Hey y'all, y'all know today is ESS Day, which is an erotic sensual seductive dance. Instead of that, I'm gonna give y'all like a sexy tip that you can send to your lover, through the camera, right? Something that just real simple. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna be on all fours, doggy style, right? And mind you, you can be naked. See, I'm not gonna get extra nasty on here. Like, no, we have to keep this at a minimum because this is motherfucking YouTube. And plus, you understand what I'm saying? It ain't that type of part. But for my ladies who want to send a sexy digital message to your lover, boyfriend, husband, girlfriend, whatever the fuck. Okay, so you're gonna be on all three, right? And you can do this naked, right? You can be naked, and let's just give a little bit of music. And all you're gonna do, like you swallow over the phone, push into the phone, and just go. You just go around, you just whining other way, and you can go down, back, back, back. You push your booty back. So look, you want to go to the other side when you push your booty back, so you can really just get like a little bit of it, a little peek of it. Just back, 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 and you can take your booty and slide it across and give like all like the crotch area and shit like that, which I'm not gonna do. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm on the side. Still on doggy style. My hands are on the floor, and you just gonna roll and take your crotch to the camera. Another thing you can do, you know what I'm saying? If you good with your head game is good or whatever, y'all like kiss real good and he like tongue or whatever, you can take your tongue out, which I'm not gonna do, and you can lick the phone and all that little shit. So that's my little trick for the day that y'all can practice on, ladies. I hope that's helpful. Keep your relationship nice and spicy and high. You know what I'm saying? You gotta keep that dick at home. All right, ladies, y'all have a good one. Peace.